Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious chocolate truffle cake, step by step. First, let's bake the cake. Gather your dry ingredients, including 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare 2 9-inch cake pans. Combine your dry ingredients, then add the wet, mixing until just incorporated. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Next, we'll create the rich chocolate ganache that gives this cake its truffle-like texture. Heat 1 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Avoid boiling. Pour the hot cream directly over 12 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let this mixture sit undisturbed for 5 minutes, allowing the chocolate to melt. Then, whisk it gently until it becomes smooth, shiny, and beautifully emulsified. Allow the ganache to cool slightly to a spreadable consistency. Now let's assemble our chocolate truffle cake. Once your cake layers are completely cooled, use a serrated knife to level them, ensuring a flat surface for stacking. Place the first cake layer onto your chosen serving plate. Spread a generous, even layer of your cooled ganache over the top. Carefully place the second cake layer on top, then cover the entire cake, including the sides, with the remaining luscious ganache. Chill the cake for at least 30 minutes to allow the ganache to set firmly. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches and enjoy your magnificent creation. You can decorate your chocolate truffle cake with elegant chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or vibrant fresh berries for a beautiful presentation. For the best flavor and texture, allow the cake to sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes before slicing. Use a warm, sharp knife to achieve clean, perfect portions. Store any leftover cake in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.